I keep looking for a feeling I once had with you. Looking for a feeling I have grown accustomed to. I've had love and I've had love, but they never seem to do. I keep looking